Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aicha and I hope that everyone is doing good. And today's video is a bit different from our usual product reviews and makeup tutorials because today we are discussing something super important, and that is makeup hygiene. Yes, I'll be sharing some tips with you so that you can keep your makeup routine clean and your skin healthy, because good hygiene not only deals with keeping your skin clean, but make sure that your product lasts longer and work better. So to know all about it, stay with me till the end of the video, and without further ado, let's get this started. So first and foremost, always wash your hands before using any skincare or makeup on your face, because our hands, particularly our fingertips, can pick up germs and bacteria from everything that we touch basically. And to prevent it, the bacteria from ending up in your makeup and on your skin, make sure to wash your hands. And although it's a simple step, it seems pretty like okay, but it's significantly important if you want to make your skin clean and healthy. And then comes the tools with which we apply makeup. Yes, makeup brushes, sponges, and beauty blenders. And these can be the real bacteria magnets, because if you do not store them regularly, then bacteria can hide in it and stay there for ages and will get on your skin and cause many skin issues. I personally wash my brushes with soap, water, and face wash, and it helps to clean it as well. It make sure that it lasts longer, and you can just see the bristles on this brush, so soft. It's because I take care of it. Apart from buying the good quality brushes, I take care of it. Yeah, that's also very important. But one thing that you have to understand, that always make sure that you dry the brushes before putting them away, and yeah, good to go. Another important thing that you have to take care of is that always close the lid of the foundations and lipsticks. Like this foundation, it's open right now, and then you can see the sound. Now it's closed, so make sure that you close the lid of the foundation. It prevents the bacteria from getting in and unnecessary air from getting in to oxidize the foundation. And obviously the foundation lasts longer too, because the foundation usually lasts for around 6 to 7 months. So if you do not do it, then it will get bad within like few days. So yeah, take care of it. And that's why I actually prefer foundations with a lid, because it ensures that it lasts longer. Although I hate this foundation right now because it's giving me such a hard time. And I'm going to do its review, and you can check it out on my channel. And yes, I'll be doing a dedicated video on how you can clean your makeup brushes, and yeah, it will be very helpful for you, so make sure that you watch it. And now let's talk about another important part, that is product hygiene. But before that, let's throw away this dirty sponge, which is the breeding ground of bacteria. So always remember to store your makeup in a cool, dark, and dry place, and avoid storing it in places where there's a lot of moisture, for example your bathroom, because moisture and bacteria are best friends. And if you want your makeup to last longer, then you have to break the friendship. Like that. And make sure to never leave your makeup in the car, because the heat can mess up with the active ingredients and make your makeup go bad fast. I personally have lost quite a lot of lipsticks that I loved in the car, because I am forgetful and I forgot that I have kept it in the car. So make sure that you should not do that, and be mindful of it if you really love makeup and if you really love your money, of course. So yeah, this is a simple tip, but be mindful of that. And now let's talk about another important thing that a lot of people do and which I totally hate. So let's find out what it is. One of the things that gives me panic attacks is when I see people sharing their makeup in public, like cousins, sisters, mom and daughter, friends. And by makeup, I mean intimate makeup like lipsticks, lip liners, eye pencils, kajals. I mean, dude, it's a big no to share makeup. I mean, do you really share undies? Well, if you do, then then feel free to share makeup. But if you don't, then why share makeup? Don't do that. It's gross. And I'm sure that a lot of people might be thinking that, hey, Aisha, we go to the salons and they use the same product on different kinds. Yes, that's a risk that you take every time you step into the salon. That's the risk of exposing yourself to viral, fungal, bacterial infections that you take. And yeah, that's why I dislike it. I dislike going to salon unless and until it's absolutely necessary. So make sure that if you have to go to the salon, then pick those salons that use disposable applicators, disposable ones for mascara, for applicators for lipsticks. Use gloves, and every time they do your eye makeup with a pencil, ask them to sharp those eye pencils or lip pencils, because that if they use it on a client that had fungal infection on the skin, then through direct contact it can get to you, and obviously these viral infections pass through body fluids as well. One prime example was coronavirus that we had recently seen, and you know at least people should learn the lesson now. So yeah, make sure to not do that. And if you're really craving that lipstick that your mom or sister or your friend is wearing, then I'll show you a tip that how you can use it. So yeah, let's find out. If you really like any lipstick and if you really want to use it on your lips, then what you need to do is you have to open the lipstick like so, and bring your own lip brush for God's sake, and then use the lipstick from here. Okay, from this part. I don't know how I can show you. Yeah, from this part like so. All right, not from the top part, and then use it on yourself. And after you use the lipstick, please make sure to clean the brush like so. So that's how you use the lipstick. And don't forget to thank your mom, sister, or friend after using that lipstick. And for God's sake, bring your own lipsticks to the events. It's now or never. All right. If you really want to have, follow the steps in makeup hygiene, then you need to bring your own lipstick, your own makeup to parties. Don't share it. It's not good. And now this one is a no-brainer. Never ever use makeup that's way past its prime. A little bit here and there is fine, but if the makeup smells weird or feels weird, then it's the right time to throw it away. Alright? And always remember that expired makeup isn't just icky, it's the germ party that's waiting to happen, because germs, bacteria loves expired makeup. For example, take like lipsticks. If you use expired lipsticks, then it might cause lip irritation, swelling on the lips. If you are using mascara or expired eye kajals, then it might cause severe eye irritation and may give you pink eye as well. So yeah, they have a short life for a reason. So don't forget to swap them after every 6 to 7 months, or as stated by the company, to keep your skin healthy and free from irritations and infections. So yeah, that's one of the greatest tips in makeup hygiene that everyone knows, but very few actually apply. And now let's talk about personal hygiene. So good makeup starts with good skincare. Make sure that you have a proper skincare routine before doing makeup. It not only helps with your skin, keeping it looking fabulous, but your makeup also lasts longer, look more fresh and natural. And if you're the kind of person who removes their makeup with towels, then make sure that they are always clean and fresh. Wash them daily. Yes, after using on your face, wash them daily with detergent, hot water, and dry them on high heat. Yes, so that you can remove any bacteria that's hiding in those towels. It's very important, especially if you have acne prone, oily skin, because if you don't do it, then it might cause pimples. Even though if you haven't used the towel and you are like that, okay, fine, it's fresh, I haven't used it, and then next day you are using it on your face, you don't know what happened in the washroom. So, just make sure that you wash them regularly. And do have to say that you have to shower regularly? It comes in personal hygiene. But yes, shower regularly and wear clean clothes, keep everything around you clean, so that no bacteria can harbor nearby. So, yeah, remember these small tips, and it will come a long way to keep your skin healthy and make your makeup look fabulous. And thanks a bunch for watching, and if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, kindly do so to support me. And if you want to know more, you have to go to my website aishabugs.com. And until we meet again, take care of yourself. Love you guys, and ciao. And let's talk about product hygiene. But before we talk about it, let's throw away this dirty sponge, which is the breeding ground of bacteria. Okay, so always remember to store your makeup. I've got that. Oh my god, it just hit me in the eye. It's like the revenge of this sponge.